The following contest is scheduled for the vacant MWA Hardcore Championship. I don't know why this music is playing, but this match is for the vacant MWA Hardcore Championship. He's holding the belt upside down. You probably can't see that, but it's very distracting. The audience seems to be into this.
Come on, guys, let's go. Come on.
Here comes Hung Solo. Comes out with a milk crate and he's dancing. He's dancing like crazy here. Hung comes to us from his own mind. Now I know why this music was playing though. There is Hung. And coming out next, one of the two opponents. Oh my goodness. This can't be. It's Karnage. He's making a return. We haven't seen him since last June. There's Karnage. Oh, and wonderful Hung Solo, and there's Karnage right there. Karnage and Hung. And coming out last.
Not ready to start yet.
Coming out last. I cannot say I recognize his music. But as far as I know, it's supposed to be Lance Mannion, but he's not Lance Mannion. This is the THW and NWA World Champion, Lance Mannion. I'm sorry. Well, I'm sorry, fans. I said the name wrong again. It's actually RPK, and that's his THW belt he forgot. Okay, so just so that we could get it straight, it's RPK and not Lance. As everybody knows, of course, I'm Johnny McCommentate, and I am a huge idiot. So,
Talk like he sees it. He's a huge idiot, guy. What's your name?
Here's the MWA World Title. The THW title is here. It's just that RPK forgot to bring it out.
Alright, guys.
He's the THW and the MWA champion. There's Karnage. And there's Hung. The three just trying to... Starting some claps here is Hung. They're getting in a three-way lock.
Oh, shit!
Karnage seems to be applying most of the pressure here. And a kick. Karnage and Hung trying to get RPK down. The two, Karnage and Hung, trying to look at each other. Oh.
It's all good.
Come on, Stubby.
Karnage and Hung lock up. 2, 3, 4 great punches. And RPK splashes on Karnage. And a kick right to the head. Hung falls down too.
1, 2,
Oh, damn.
3.
All three men trying to get to their feet. Karnage and Hung, they're out of the ring. Look at this man.
1, 2.
They're both out of the ring, and RPK is still there.
3.
Not Lance Mannion. He's RPK. I cannot stress that enough.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Referee trying to... What is Hung... The Karnage goes down. What is he doing over there?
Chills. What the bitch is now?
He's chilling. Wow. Oh, what's this? What is RPK going to try to go? Is he imitating John Cena? And a five knuckle shuffle, I guess. He's not really known for doing that move. Clothesline right there.
Get up, bitch!
Whoa. There's some profanity.
Hey, come on, get in the ring. Get in the ring.
Referee trying to tell Hung to get in the ring. Lance gets kneed right in the head, and but they're starting a fight right on the ropes. Well, oh my God! What is Hung trying to do here? Hung
Solo.
What is this? Oh, and a splash right from Hung.
3. Oh, hey, alright.
He's on the rope. Referee making a mistake here, but it's okay. Lance, or RPK rather, got him, stupid. He gets kicked right outside and back to the ring, and what a clothesline! RPK still out there. Takes an elbow, Karnage does, and Karnage kicks out.
2.
The match was not over earlier, ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know. There's RPK once again, and Lance. There's Lance right there. Karnage and Hung Solo. They're all vying for the vacant NWA Hardcore Championship. That title was vacated last June. Last June when Skull Jr. vacated it in order to get a shot at the world title. Right in the corner. Right in the headlock right there from Hung. And a takedown. Lance,
2.
RPK, whatever he is, he kicks out. Monstrous foot right to the back. And he stands on it. What kind of... Karnage and Hung now trying to brawl. RPK still under all that weight. Karnage trying to regain his composure here. He was in the original MWA Hardcore title match. That ladder match almost a year ago. Speaking of almost a year ago, Karnage with some major profanity here. RPK kicks out. What is Karnage? Karnage, I guess he's just given up on the match. There's Hung Solo, and he kicks RPK right in the head. This match cannot be very good for RPK if he wants to get that MWA Hardcore title.
Hey.
Oh, Karnage comes back with a baseball bat. This cannot look. Oh my God, he hit him right in the back.
Hey, stop that.
The referee not being very forceful. He's choking him with that baseball bat, and this is for the hardcore title, so anything goes. My goodness. And there's Hung right there. Being awesome. And now there's Mike and Karnage. What is the problem that Karnage has had with Hung here? There must be some history between those two. Referee slides the baseball bat out, and Karnage is not too happy. Oh, the straps are going down.
Best tits.
Oh my god, this is disgusting. This is, oh my God. No, he's not going to do this. Oh, this has got to be censored. Good thing the camera did not catch that. Some bad things were just seen here at the MWA arena.
Help me out. You get this guy away from me.
He hit him right with the baseball bat, and he's trying to do it again. Hung Solo is holding on for dear life, and he's taunting him. The referee trying to get the bat away from Karnage. This is pure madness. This is pure madness right here. And RPK hits Karnage from the back, and the match goes on. It gets him right there in the knee to the gut. What is this going to be? Oh!